Hi, and welcome to the ICC Digital Codes Premium Revit Add-in Release 4 update. Today is May 31st, 2024, and I'm Eric Stover, the product manager for this application. And today I'm going to show you what's new in our latest release. So let's get started. And this is our vision statement. For building professionals like yourselves who want to create a safe and sound structure for your clients, the ICC Digital Codes Premium Revit Add-in is a digital tool that enables you, the architect, structural, MEP, or fire protection engineer and your team to validate construction plans with published applicable building codes during the design process itself. And today, version 4 is available. You can get it either on the ICC Revit download page at the following URL, or you can visit the Autodesk App Store. Just go look at Revit and it'll be under that umbrella. Today we support Revit 22, 23, and 24. We're looking to support Revit 2025 in the coming months, so stay tuned for that. And as always, if you have any feedback or you want to help inform our roadmap, please email us at the following email address, icc.revit.team@gmail.com. So today, let's just take a look at the latest updates to this product. And in this release, we've enhanced the codes library, where it now centralizes all of your code libraries in a single location. As you can see that where the blue arrow is pointing. So by selecting the codes library icon in the Revit ribbon, here you'll find a holistic approach that enables advanced search, bookmarking, printing your relevant project codes, all from a single location while you're using the product. And also in our previous release, we introduced the project information feature where you can document your project information with applicable building codes and save it with your Revit project file, enabling project knowledge sharing and workflows between designers on your team. So what's new is that once you fill out your project information, we'll automatically bookmark those codes in the library and link them to this particular Revit file, making it easier to get to the right code information while you're working inside of Revit. Also, once you fill out your project information, we will automatically create a project tag on our site. Project tags are immensely valuable when working with a library of information, as they offer a systematic way to categorize and organize data for each project, enhancing your overall efficiency and productivity. You can use these project tags when you are documenting code information about this project as you're writing notes and attaching bookmarks in each digital code manual. And in terms of leveling up your expertise with the building code, our all-new AI Navigator offers quick, helpful replies to basic code questions and is programmed to help you navigate our iCodes like an expert. AI Navigator uses large language models, artificial intelligence, to provide answers and guidance to the relevant code content for users of our digital codes platform. And it's trained specifically on the ICC iCodes and certain state amended codes. Also, we've now included access to our new Premium Answers site, which delivers a constantly expanding searchable database of questions and their carefully crafted interpretations from our ICC team of technical experts. Think of it as an ever-growing reference of code interpretations by those experts closest to the code. And lastly, with this release, this is a reminder that all previous features released to date have been seamlessly integrated into the current build, which you can see here. So let's take it for a test drive. So in our last release, we implemented a new project information feature to capture key basic elements of the project in each particular Revit file is associated with, including all relevant building codes, as you can see here as I fill this out. This information is saved within each Revit file, and anyone with access to the model will be able to see what codes are applicable. So let's continue to document this project, a mixed-use property in Tempe, Arizona, jurisdictions Maricopa, and let's fill out a few of the building codes. All right, the 21 International Building Code. Let's put in a plumbing code specific to the Tempe jurisdiction. Click on that, and let's go ahead and save it. And so now what's happening is that we are writing this to the cloud service. We'll say OK. And we also created a building code summary table or schedule that you can use on your cover sheet when it's all said and done. So let's go over to the codes library and take a look. And under the menu, click on that. You can open up favorites, and you can see there that we've written each of these titles to your favorites page. So it's quick and easy to get access to them. And as you can see here, we even have a feature that lets you know where you last left off in the book, terms of jumping to section, as well as letting you know which version of the title you're actually reading. So we can click on this and note that there's actually a new version in September 2021. And there we go. We know we're on the latest and greatest version of the 2021 IBC. So let's talk about project tags. Let's go back to the menu. Under Premium Tools, My Project Tags. Let's click on that. You can see we automatically created a project tag based upon the name of the project this Revit file is associated with, Snowden Towers in this case. So let's see how it's utilized. So let's go back to Favorites and click on the 2021 IBC. And let's go ahead and create a note. I'm going to scroll down here to Building Group B. Here we are. So you can see I can go ahead and click on this information and highlight it. And click on the Notes button, and let's go ahead and create a note that this is important to our project. So write some text there, and then click on the right project, Snowden Towers, say OK. Now this note is associated with the project tag, which is associated with my Revit file. So let's go see what that looks like. If we scroll down to Premium Tools, click on that and go to My Notes and Bookmarks, you can see that I can now sort by all my projects. Click on Snowden Towers, and you can see this note I just created that's associated with it. So as you can see, project tags are immensely valuable when working with a library of information, as they offer a systematic way to categorize and organize your data for each project, enhancing your overall efficiency and productivity. So up next is our new AI Navigator. Here's where you can get answers to your code compliance questions anytime. Currently, AI Navigator is trained on ICC's iCodes library, as well as state codes. It searches the 2021 editions of the iCodes, but you can also select from the 2018 or 2015 editions by selecting the Change Code Cycle option you see on screen. We will continually be expanding the scope of content across which AI Navigator is able to answer questions, including the 2024 editions coming soon. All right, so since our project is based in Tempe, I want to inquire about window glazing exceptions. So I type in my question where you see it here in the dialog box, and it gives me an answer here after careful review of the 21 libraries of the codes that are relevant in the state of Arizona. It provides me with an answer here and links to the appropriate sections of the relevant titles. So let's click on that and go ahead and let's bookmark this important section for later review. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the bookmark icon to the far right here. And then go ahead and add this to my project. Go ahead and save that. So AI Navigator can offer quick, helpful replies to basic code questions, and is programmed to help you navigate the iCodes like an expert. But if you want to talk to the experts, that's where Premium Answers comes up, and we'll get into that next. So click on the Answers button up in the ribbon, and you'll discover Premium Answers, which delivers a constantly expanding searchable database of questions and their carefully crafted interpretations from the ICC team of technical experts. It offers real opinions from ICC experts on a broad collection of topics. And if you're a member of the ICC, you can submit a question for clarification or review by a team of experts. And these questions, which are most common, get posted here with answers and useful links to relevant code sections where appropriate. Now, I would like to know a little bit more about multi-story atriums and their separations for adjacent spaces. And as I put in my question in search terms, I can see that I'm in luck. There's an interpretation here. Now I can go ahead and click on that. And let's review the broader question that was submitted on this topic, and then also look at the answer from the ICC team of experts about how they interpret this particular bit of code. And along the bottom, I can see relevant code sections, so I can click on any of these if I want to go deeper in the code of what was referenced in this answer. And let's click on one of these, and you can see it takes me right to Chapter 4, Section 404.6, Enclosure of Atriums. So I can actually dive a little bit deeper on this answer. Now, a knowledge base like this, so questions and their curated answers, can be highly beneficial in your work because it can provide you with reliable information that helps making well-informed decisions, improving the quality and efficiency of your design process or even your review process. And just as a reminder, here are some useful links. The first two are locations where you can go get this add-in. The top is the ICC Revit add-in download page. You can also visit the Autodesk App Store, just search under Revit.
for the ICC Revit add-in. If you want to help us inform the roadmap or provide just general feedback about your experience with this release, please email us at icc.revit.team@gmail.com. And for more helpful videos from the ICC, visit our YouTube channel at ICC Digital Codes. And we'll see you shortly for our next update. Thank you for your time.